Everyone, welcome back to this house of fashion. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to cut this lovely top you're seeing on the screen. You can see the way it is. So I'm going to make use of this mesh sun waist fabric to cut it out. I'm making use of 3.5 yards of this sun waist fabric to cut it out. This is after folding it into 4 places because we are cutting for both back and front. You can see it now. So the next thing I'm going to take is the length of the sleeve. To know the length of the sleeve is the first thing to take. So with this now, I'm taking it from this point to this edge. You can see. So I'm seeing up to 21.5 inches. So that means I'm using the whole wideness of the net I folded out. So the next thing I'm going to take out here is going to be the length of the top. So it's going to be 52 inches. The 52 inches is with the seam allowance. Here is it. And since we know our length of sleeve is 21.5 inches already, so I'm going to root this out to give us a straight line. Like this. Then I'll be taking the wideness of the sleeve because there used to be an elastic rubber there, so it has to be very wide. So I'm making it of 15 inches is with the seam allowance. So the next thing to take now is now the shoulder slant of 1 inch like this. Then I'm going to take the neckline of let me make use of 3.2 inches. Then from here, that is where I'm going to take my shoulder slant to, from here to that point. You can see I took my shoulder slant after taking the wideness of the neck like this. So it's ending at this point. That's how to cut it out. From the wideness we have, I'm coming in to 6 inches. You know, we have 21.5 inches wideness in 4 places. That's 86 inches. So minus 6 inches, that means the whole wideness we will be left with is going to be 80 inches. So from here now, I'm going to slant it down to the full length of the dress. You can see there I'm slanting it down. I'm done with that. You can see I'm trying to cut it out now. So after this now, the next thing I'm going to take is going to be the deepness of the neckline of 2 inches. You can see. Then I'm going to connect them together like this by cutting it. So this particular one is for the back. Then I can now remove one of these. So I'm removing the back side. Then to lower the front neckline a bit. So I'm going down with 2 inches again, making 4 inches for the neckline of the front, the deepness. Then I can now cut it out. So I'm done with the cutting of this. The next thing I'm going to do here before shaping it out at the side the way it is on the thumbnail is that I'm going to join the 2 shoulders first, bias the neckline, stitch the 2 sides of the top or a dress, then slant it. So let me go and do that now and bring it back to you. Then slant it in your pointer. So this is the area of the sleeve that elastic rubber is going to be. So this is after joining it. You can see I've joined the 2 sides of the dress. I've stitched it. I've turned it to my right side. You can see the armhole. You can see this area. I'm here to put an elastic rubber at the sleeve mouth, but this is the shape. So the next thing I'm going to take here is going to be that side that is going to be low, as in that side of this dress or a top that is going to be low. So taking the measurements from the shoulder is going to be the next thing to do now. From here, the first thing I'm going to determine is going to be my half cut of 16 inches. Here is my half cut of 16 inches. Then my top length is going to be 22 inches. at that side as it's going to low is going to be 22 inches. So let me rule it out to have a straight line. Here is it. You can see. So I just want to add 1 inch of sewing allowance to it, making 23 inches length. Then here is it as well. So I'm cutting it from this side, from this other line. So after this now, I'm going to slant it down to the full length. But before then, let me take the wideness, because it's not pencil. When you check out the style, it's not pencil. So the wideness of this now is going to be around 10 inches. Then from here, from the 23 inches to this 10 inches, is going to be a slant line to that point. So after the ruling now, you can see the way I'm trying to connect them together slantly. Then I can now cut it out. So this is after the cutting. So this is how it's going to look like, and this is the area at the sleeve that you're going to attach your elastic cover to. You can see that side of the down part. You can see how it is. So it's not pencil. That is how you're going to leave. So there's going to be an elastic cover here, like I said earlier. So let me go and put the elastic cover, aim the neckline, then stitch this side, then show you the finished work. Welcome back. Yeah, the finished work so far. This is how it's going to look like. You can see the down part, you can see the side. So you can, if you want your own to be more high than this, you can make it like 19 inches, 20 inches rather than that of 23 inches that I make mine. Then here is the elastic rubber at the sleeve line. So if you're watching for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always. Bye.